Terry and Lydia here. Today we are at the Northwest Natural Street of Dreams in Oregon City, Oregon. The first house on our list was built by Icon Construction, and it's called Fridhem, which means peaceful home. It has 5,356 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and they told us it was approximately about $2.5 million. Here's Lydia out on this beautiful patio. We like to come to the Street of Dreams every year and take a look at the homes. This year there are 7 homes on the street and many more in different locations. In fact, even right here near this community within walking distance, we walked here from their main parking lot, there are other nice homes to view. But we're going to show you the big 7, and this is the first video. A special feature of this house is that it has an elevator, and one of the sides is right there. It also has this amazing outdoor living area and huge, big, beautiful yard. Now I'm headed to the main floor primary bedroom suite. So besides the beautiful big loft that overlooks the living room, you've got 3 more bedrooms upstairs and second laundry room. This home has 3 levels, and when Lydia went downstairs to see the spa, she caught video of how these lights go from the 2nd floor all the way down to the lower level. So here's the spa area with the sauna. They've got a shower. And this cool chill pod. And as we finished up in this house, Lydia noticed how when she stepped on these stairs, they all lit up as she walked. Well, let us know in the comments what you thought about this house. We appreciate you watching. Usually we're traveling and making videos about that, but we sure enjoy seeing things here in the Pacific Northwest when we're here, and this is always a fun event. Well, as I mentioned, we love to travel. Sometimes it's cruises, sometimes it's road trips, sometimes we find a specific destination and just go, and a lot of times it's spontaneous, but we love to travel together. We love to make these videos, and we're so glad that you came along to view it with us. If you would subscribe and hit the like button, we'd really appreciate that. Thanks so much, and we look forward to seeing you next time.